my name is Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of STEAM Time. Today we are going to do a very fun, very easy experiment in the kitchen, and you only need a few simple things for this experiment. So you are going to need a bowl filled almost all the way to the top with cold water. You are going to need some string or yarn, just a little length like this. I'd say this is a little more than a foot of yarn. You are going to need an ice cube, and you are going to need coarse sea salt. I have coarse kosher salt. So gather up those materials and we will get started. So what if I were to tell you that I could use this string to pick up this ice cube by just placing the ice cube in the water and placing the string on top, putting some salt on and lifting it up? Would you believe me? It seems a little impossible without tying the string to the ice cube, doesn't it? But that's what we're going to do today and see that it works. Afterwards, we'll talk about the science behind this. So you're going to take your bowl of cold water and you're just going to put your ice cube inside. I have it flipped up so that the wider part of my ice cube is facing up. Then you'll take your string or your yarn and you will just lay it on top. Let me scoot a little bit closer so you can see that. After you've done that, you'll take your salt and you'll just sprinkle a thin layer on top, and then you're going to wait about 20 seconds. So we'll count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, look at that. It really works. So how were we able to pick up an ice cube with a piece of yarn or string using just salt? The science behind this is the same science behind why they add salt to icy roads during the winter to make them more drivable. You see, salt lowers the melting point of water below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This is why we put it on the roads, because the salt allows the ice to melt at a lower temperature. In our experiment, once the salt is added to the ice cube, a small layer of the cube melts around the string, but then refreezes again as the water cools around the string. So the salt allows the ice cube to melt just a little bit, but then as it refreezes around our string. So the string becomes part of the ice cube, which is why we're able to lift it up. You can further this experiment by trying different types of salt that you use in the experiment. You can try different types of string or yarn or other materials that you want to use to pick up your ice cube. You could try different sizes of ice cubes. You could try more than one ice cube. The possibilities are endless to expand this experiment at home. I got the idea for this experiment from this amazing book. It's called 100 Easy STEM Activities by Andreas Galzo-Yi, and it is in our collection, so you could check it out. It has amazing STEM activities and other experiments, some of which I will highlight on future STEAM Time episodes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you had fun with this very simple experiment and that you try it at home. If you have any suggestions for topics you'd like to see on future STEAM Time videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.